Emuna, why are you changing your sport? Emuna?
I'm just going down to edit. Yeah, that's all.
Oh, okay. Oh, you know editor no?
Yeah.
Emuna, camera, how you bitwang libitso la yona? Kaya mo i-check a camera ya.
The Canon 50D.
Canon 50D.
Yeah.
Proud Papa was set, ane?
Yeah, I want set that. Yeah, I want set.
So, how did you know when you wanna be a cameraman?
It started 5 years ago. I was still a toddler. My father was a ABC. Welcome. ABC
Motsepe.
photographer and journalist. Used to be like him. So when I got born, and then my father taught me how to hold a camera, shoot it, aim on position. That's how.
So tell me, when you edit, what you do?
I edit. I first buy software, and then
Which software do you use?
I use, it's like InShot software,
Okay.
and that software, it has anything you need.
Okay.
It has picture on picture, voice tracking, and all those stuff you need. Like I can add video on another video. Your voice can apply without talking out voice. That's all.
So Ndwana, tell me what you wanna do when you grow up, because already you are a cameraman.
When I was still 3 years old, I wanted to be a hospital doctor. I wanted to be a hospital doctor because I study engineering.
You study engineering?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
And which grade are you doing?
Grade 5.
And you study engineering?
Yeah. I read books of engineering. Like I have a book that is really I use all my money. I use all my savings to buy that book.
Mfana, are you a Kaizer Chiefs fan? Are you a Pirates fan?
Kaizer Chiefs, Kosi. I get a Kosi in
Only
that.
course, Mfana.
Yeah.
So one day you wanna be a photographer or Dabi, like Udala Dabi, I guess.
Yeah. I have they said they're gonna get for me a SAFA accreditation for shooting national team and CAF.
Donna, what's your dream? What's your this camera? What's your dream? Talk to me about your dream.
My dream, is to beat I get people are just passing me.
Yes.
When they'll see that I'm famous now, they're just gonna ask for my photographs. That's the thing. That's the things that I'm trying to beat now.
Okay. Danke Ndwana yami.
Hola.
Ayizama o-editor boy.
Sure.
Sure. Le ntwana lena sharp ithayima lakhe liyamsiza, limake sure ukuthi liyamkhapha emagaming. So this is something he's so passionate about, and big up to ithayima lakhe. Ayi, ithayima lakhe liyayenza lento. Ngifuna ukubonisa ithayima lakhe manje. Ngifuna sobheka ithayima lakhe. There's ithayima lakhe ke uyalibona. So this is the guy who's behind the story somchita. But uThayima was a journalist. Thayima,
Yes, sir.
bathi le ndaba iqale kuwe, uyi journalist elikhulu.
Yeah, ngaqala ngawuma 2002 le because of unemployment, bro. I didn't qualify for this until the time that I decided, let me just go give it a try. So I thought that before I could retire, I should introduce a young man so that he can take over.
And every weekend you drop everything. During the week you drop everything for this young man.
Yes, man. Nice. Otherwise, man, what would I do? It's the thing that he likes. I think this is part of development, and one day we want to see him. Maybe he could go overseas, or this is part of development. It's part of development. He needs to be developed also, just as the other boys who are playing. He must also be developed.
I think it's important to think, what does fatherhood mean to you?
Hey, Baba, fatherhood is everything.